journey. Super exciting, right? Ah! Hello and welcome to the Body Front Project. Hello. Dogmatic terms of fat. Ah! And the scales don't tell you. Actually takes a photo and looks freaking confident all the fucking time. Them like with Lego, etc., running out of fucking breath. That brings the activity down. 6 months ahead. What would doing this or lose some weight? Well, how does that have it this way? Let's say you want to lose, for God's sakes. You get in front of the gym for the first time. What's going to happen? You're probably going to... No. Carbs before fat. Meaning if you need a fucking salad all the fucking time. Disappointment. This may leave you to... To increase any one of those... The point where it's like adaptive and shit like this. Okay, fuck it. Which is, there's chocolate everywhere. No. See, your body... And your body tries to conserve as much energy as it can because I've just talked a bit bollocks. Outstanding. Would you like to find out? Would you like to fucking find out? How do you increase your metabolism? Do you need to eat more cheese? As much energy as it can. So therefore reduce the need. Well, who... I know it's the wrong way around. It's one overlooked thing. Like, etc. If you want to, collecting Lego and all these kind of things, it's